Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share with you the secrets of building true wealth through real estate investing. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a passive income stream that will allow you to achieve financial freedom and live the life of your dreams. Real estate investing is one of the most powerful ways to generate wealth, because it offers several benefits that other investments don't. First, real estate is a tangible asset that appreciates in value over time, meaning that you can sell it for more than you bought it. Second, real estate provides cash flow from rents, which can cover your expenses and generate profits. Third, real estate allows you to leverage other people's money, such as banks or private lenders, to buy more properties with less capital. Fourth, real estate offers tax advantages, such as depreciation and deductions, that can lower your taxable income and increase your net worth. But how do you get started in real estate investing? Well, there are many strategies and methods that you can use, depending on your goals, budget, and risk tolerance. Some of the most common ones are: buy and hold. This is where you buy a property and rent it out for a long period of time, usually several years or decades. This way, you can benefit from appreciation, cash flow, and tax benefits. This is a good strategy for beginners who want to build a stable portfolio of income-producing assets. Fix and flip. This is where you buy a property that needs some repairs or improvements, fix it up and sell it for a higher price. This way, you can make a quick profit from the difference between the purchase price and the selling price. This is a good strategy for experienced investors who have access to capital and contractors, and who can find undervalued properties in hot markets. Wholesale. This is where you find a property that is below market value, put it under contract and assign the contract to another investor for a fee. This way, you can make money without owning or fixing the property. This is a good strategy for investors who have good marketing and negotiation skills, and who can find motivated sellers who need to sell fast. BRRRR. This stands for buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. This is where you buy a property that needs some work, fix it up, rent it out, refinance it with a new loan based on the increased value, and use the cash out to buy another property. This way, you can recycle your money and grow your portfolio faster. This is a good strategy for investors who have access to financing and who can add value to properties through renovations. These are just some of the ways that you can invest in real estate and build true wealth. Of course, there are many more details and nuances that you need to learn before you jump into this business. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content like this. Until next time, happy investing!